Okay, now for the fourth part. Okay, so logic circuits. Medyo papasadahan lang natin to ng mabilis hanggang dulo. Kasi, bihira na yung computation part dito sa mga part na to. Okay, so computer logic defined as the science of reasoning. Okay, so polarity. Okay, meron tayong tinatawag na positive or negative logic. Okay, so if in case gusto nyo basahin, pwede nyo namang i-post yung video. Pag sinabi nating positive logic, okay, yung high voltage, siya yung 1. Okay, so let's say 5 volts, 0 volts. 5 volts is 1, 0 volts is 0. Okay, that is positive logic. Well, for negative logic, okay, yung negative value mo ang 1. For example, kung negative 5 volts mo ang 1, 0 volts ang 0, that is negative logic. Okay, so meron tayong combinational and sequential logic. Okay, combinational logic, okay, walang timing involved. Sequential logic, may timing involved. Okay, para mas madaling tandaan, pag sinabing combinational logic, that is logic gates. That is AND, OR, NOT, XOR, XNOR. When we say sequential logic, ang tinutukoy natin dito ay flip-flops. That is T, RS, JK, D. Ayan, that is sequential logic. Okay, may clock involved. Sa combinational muna tayo, meron tayong tinatawag na adder. Okay? May encoder, decoder, multiplexer, demultiplexer. Okay. Sa adder, okay, meron tayong tinatawag na quarter adder. So, quarter adder, a circuit that can add 2 binary digits but will not produce a carry. Okay, walang carry na mabubuo. Kunwari, 0 plus 0, the answer is 0. 0 plus 1, the answer is 1. 1 plus 0, the answer is also 1. Okay. Ito lang ang magiging iba. Okay. 1 plus 1. Okay. 1 plus 1, pag binary, di ba? 1 plus 1, that is 1, 0. Okay. Kasi that is 2 dapat. So, pag 1 plus 1, okay, dapat 1, 0. Pag binary. Okay. Pero, pag quarter adder lang, hindi niya kayang ipakita yung 1. Ang papakita or di-display niya lang ay 0. Okay. Kung gusto mo ma-display pati yung carry, that is ayan, half adder. Okay? So, half adder designed to combine 2 binary digits and produce a carry. Okay, kapag may full adder pa, okay, pag full adder, okay, ina-add niya yung dalawang circuit or dalawang input, ito yung output niya, plus, kung may carry pa kanina, isasama niya din yung carry. Okay? So, paano yun? Okay, let's say 1, sige, para mas madali natin makita, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. Okay? Kung half adder yan, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Okay? 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is also 0, carry 1. Okay? So, ang ipapakita niyang sagot, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay? Pero, kung full adder yan, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. Yung full adder, kaya niyang i-add pati yung carry. So, that is 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is 1, carry 1. Then, sa kanya iwa 1 dito. Okay? So, this one is half adder. Kaya niya mag-produce ng carry pero hindi niya pwedeng i-add. Pag full adder, kaya niya mag-produce ng carry and at the same time, kaya niyang i-add yung carry sa kasunod. Okay? That is full adder. Okay. When we say decoder, a combinational circuit that converts binary information from n input lines to a maximum of 2 to the n unique output lines. Okay? So, kabaliktaran n by 2 raised to n. So, example, pag decoder, may 5 input ka, meron kang 2 by n. Okay? Meaning 32 outputs. 2 raised to 5. Okay? So, pag encoder naman, ayan, 5, halimbawa, okay, nag-input ka ng 5, ang output mo ay 2 raised to 5. Okay, so, ano yung 2 raised to 5? 32. Kapag nag-input ka ng 3, ang output mo, okay, hindi naman siya output, okay, ang kapartner niyan is 2 raised to 3, so that is 8. Okay, that is decoder. Okay, at kabaliktaran niya, okay, ito yung decoder circuit. Kabaliktaran naman niya, encoder. Okay, kung 4, 8, 16, okay, kabaliktaran niya. Kung may 4 na input ka, ang output mo ay 2 lang. Kasi 2 to the n. Okay. So, kung may 8 input ka, ang output mo, 3. That is encoder circuit. Okay, demultiplexer. Okay. So, isang input, okay, pwede ka mag-produce ng maraming output. Okay? So, isa lang yung input mo. Kaya mo mag-produce ng 2, ng 4, ng 8. That is the multiplexer. Okay? Pag multiplexer naman, marami ang input, pero isa lang ang output. Okay? Kadalasan multiplexer ginagamit sa telephone. Okay? Yung telephone na madaming nakakonect. Okay? So, yung mga parang sa call center. Okay? So, madami ang tumatawag. Okay? Pero, okay, isa lang yung connection. So, 5 yung input mo, isa lang yung linya mo. Pipili lang na siyang isang dadaan. So, that is multiplexer. Okay? And the other side, the opposite side, demultiplexer. Isa lang yung input mo, madami kang possible output. Okay, possible board question. What level is used to represent logic 1 in a negative logic circuit? Okay, negative logic, 'di ba? Pag negative logic, okay, yung low level, which is kunwari negative 5 volts, yun yung ginagawa niyang 1. Okay? If logic 1 is 5 volts DC and logic 0 is positive 10 volts DC, what logic polarity is being used? Okay? So, ano nangyari? Okay? Ang 1, yung mas mababa, yung 5 volts. Ang 0, yung mas mataas, yung 10 volts. Therefore, negative logic. Okay? Kasi nagiging 1, yung mas mababa. A circuit made up of combinations of logic gates with no feedback from output to input. Okay? So, logic gate walang feedback. Okay? Kung ano lang yung present state, yun yung kinukuha niya. That is combinational logic circuit. Okay? How many logic gates are in an MSI chip? Okay, ito is nasa micro part, pero okay, pinakita na rin natin dito. Kapag MSI, medium scale in 12 to 99 gates. Okay, so ito yung mga keywords pwede nyo kunin. Okay, kapag small scale integration, less than 100 or about 10 gates lang. Okay, 10 to 100 medium, more than 100 large. Okay, more than 300,000 components per chip, very large scale integration. So, ngayon nasa VLSI na tayo kadalasan. Isang chip lang, pero napakaraming components, more than 300,000. VLSI ang tawag doon. Okay, how many outputs does a full adder have? Okay, ang output niya ay 2. Yung output, tsaka yung carry. Okay, yung answer plus yung carry. Okay, sequential logic circuits, ito na yung mga flip-flops. Okay, so pwedeng synchronous, controlled ng time. Okay, from the word itself, synchronous, synchronize, may clock. Pag walang clock, that is asynchronous. Okay, smallest memory element natin is the flip-flops. They are used to store data temporarily lang. Okay, purpose is to multiply, divide, count operation, receive and transfer information. Okay, common type RS or SR, T, D, JK. Okay, importante alam niyo yung concept ng mga yan. Okay, so kapag RS, ito lang. Okay, RS meaning reset, set. Okay, R for reset, S is set. Okay, ganito ang solve ng RS. Okay, so meron tayong RS. Okay, tas present state. Okay, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So, anong output? Okay. Kapag 0, 0, okay, walang nangyari. Kung 0 siya, 0 pa din. Kung 1 siya, 1 pa din. Stay lang. Stay put. Kapag naman 0, 1, okay, naka-on ang S, naka-off ang R. Ibig sabihin nito, S, set. Okay? So, set, yung output niya, magiging 1. Ito, 0, 1. Set din, di ba? So, kung set, i-on mo lang siya. Kung nakapatay siya, i-on mo siya. Kung nakabuhay siya, buhay pa din siya. Okay? Next, 1, 0. Okay? 1, 0, naka-on ang R. So, kapag naka-on ang R, reset. Okay? Magiging 0 siya. Regardless, okay, basta 1, 0, magiging 0 siya. Regardless kung currently naka-on or off siya. Okay? Etong dalawa, wala to. This is latch. Okay? So, latch, walang output na ganyan ka ang RS. Okay? So, may katumbas ang RS. Para may output ka, that is JK. Okay? Pag sinabi mong JK, jump, kill. Okay, baliktad. Okay? Okay, baliktarin natin. JK, flip-flop. Pag J, that is jump. Meaning, kapag 1 ang jump mo, i-on mo siya. Kapag kill, kapag 1 ang K, 0 ang J. Okay, 1 ang K, ibig sabihin, kill, papatayin mo. Okay? So, kahit ano man yung current state niya, okay, ang next state niya is magiging off. Okay? Halimbawa, yung ilaw mo nakapatay. Kasi, tingnan natin. Ito pa pala muna. Kapag pares 1, that is toggle. Okay? For JK ito, For JK, wala siyang latch. Pero kapag 1-1, that is toggle. So, kung currently naka-off siya, magiging on siya. Kung currently naka-on siya, magiging off siya. Okay? So, halimbawa, ganito. Yung ilaw natin is on. Okay? Nag-input ako ng JK na 1-0. Okay? Anong ginawa? Ginamp ko. Naka-on pa din siya. Okay? Sinirawan ko. Ibig sabihin, ikikill ko. Mag-off siya. Nag-input ako ng 0-0. Ano yung 0-0? Wala lang. Di off pa din siya. Nag-input ako ng 1-1. Ano yung 1-1? Toggle. So, kung off siya ngayon, mamaya, naka-on na siya. Ganun. Ganun ang paggamit ng flip-flop. Okay? Kapag naman T flip-flop, okay, T stands for toggle. Okay? So, kunwari, naka-on siya. Okay, ang value ng T mo ay 0. Pag 0, wala lang. On pa din siya. Ang value ng T mo ay 1. So, ibig sabihin, itatoggle mo siya. Kung on siya, magiging off siya. Okay? Tapos, tinagel ko uli. Magiging on siya. Tinagel ko pa uli. Magiging off siya. Pero 0. Wala kang gagawin. Off pa rin siya. Okay? So, that is the T flip-flop. Okay? Ang T flip-flop, parang sinort mo lang yung J and K. Okay? So, pwede ka gumawa ng T flip-flop kapag sinort mo yung JK input. JK input ng JK flip-flop. Pag D flip-flop, walang kwenta. D means delay or data. Dalawa yan, delay or data. Okay? Susundin nyo lang. Okay? Nari on. Ang value ng D mo ay 1. Di i-on niya. Kapag ang value ng D ay 0, i-off niya. Value ng D mo ay 0, off pa din. Okay? Simple lang. Kapag 0, off. Kapag 1, on. Lagyan ko ng 1. I-on niya. Okay, ganun lang. Okay? So, D data. Kung pag sinabi niyang 1, i-on mo. Pag sinabi niyang 0, i-off mo. Okay, yun lang. JK flip-flop, nabanggit ko na. Clocks, okay, ginagamit for synchronization. Okay, counter, device that count, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kung 5-digit counter ka lang, after ng 5, balik ka sa 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Parang orasan. Okay, so digital clock. Okay, pagdating mo ng 59 seconds, babalik ka sa 0. Okay, that is the term modulo. Count capability of counters. So, modulo 60. Okay, so pagdating ng 60, back to 0. Type of counters. Okay, unahin natin ripple counter. Are so named because the count is like the chain reaction that ripples to the counter because of the time involved. A ripple counter is also called a synchronous counter. Okay, so ripple counter, halimbawa, nagbibilang ka lang 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, kada pindot mo, 5, tataas siya. Synchronous counter with high frequency operation require that all the flip-flops of triggers be triggered at the same time to prevent error. Synchronous counter is similar to ripple counter except that clock is connected. Okay? So, anong pinagkaiba nito ng asynchronous sa synchronous counter? Synchronous counter, sa application para ang gumawa ng clock. So, may fixed interval. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, may specific timing. Pag asynchronous kasi, okay, example nito, mga circuit na may counter na kapag may dumaan tao, magpa-plus 1. Halimbawa, 0. May dumaan tao, 1. After 10 minutes, may dumaan tao, 2. After 1 second, may dumaan na din tao, 3. Okay? So, hindi siya nakadepende sa oras, hindi siya naka-fixed time. As long as may parang napipindot kang button or may nasa-satisfy na condition, dun siya nagka-count up. That is the difference. Synchronous sa asynchronous. Okay? Synchronous, syempre, may time. Decade counter. Okay. So, decade counter from the word decade. dekada, 10. So, pagdating ng 10, babalik ka sa 0. Ng 9 pala. 0 to 9. Pag 10 na, balik ka na sa 0. So, ring counter, paikot lang. Nakaloop. Register, temporary storage ng device. Register, usually, shift register. So, kung ano man data, pag sinabi mo namang shift register, kunwari, 3. Okay, magkakatabi. Okay. Pag may pumasok na panibagong number, 4. Okay, ipapasa niya yung 3. Okay, nandito na yung 4. Pag may dumating pa uling panibagong data, let's say 7. Okay, 7. I-move niya ito. Okay, that is the shift register. Okay, saan nyo nakikita yung mga shift register? Okay, dun sa mga signages. Okay, sa mga signages. Okay. Next. They are used to store data. Okay, shift register yun yan. Probable board questions. In a clock, clock sequential logic circuit, what memory element is being used? Kung may clock, ibig sabihin, sequential. At kung sequential siya, gumagamit ka ng flip-flop. How many flip-flop circuits does this decade counter have? Okay. So, decade kasi, di ba, 10. Okay. Pag ginawa mong decimal, binary, pag ginawa mong binary, ilang bits ang kailangan mo? Okay. Kailangan mo ng 4 bits. Kasi kung 3 bits lang yan, ang kaya niyang i-count hanggang 7 lang. Kung 2 bits lang yan, ang kaya niyang i-count hanggang 3 lang. Ganun yun. O, para umabot ka ng 10, okay, dapat 4 flip-flop. To the end. What is the counter that follows the binary sequence? So, binary sequence, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. That is the binary counter. Okay, so memory and storage. Okay. So, ang smallest unit, bit. Okay. 8 bits, tinatawag na byte. 4 bits, tinatawag na nibble. Okay, sa libro, ibang libro, NIBBLE yan. Yung Y, gawin yung I. Okay, word, group of bits whose length depends on the system. Okay, bits per second, measure of speed. Okay, BPS. Or data transfer, parang KBPS. Mga ganun. Okay, prefixes use. O, alam nyo na yan. So, pag kilo, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes. 10 to the 3rd, 10 to the 6th, 10 to the 9th, 10 to the 12th. Okay. Pero, okay take note. Okay. Ang ginagamit natin is binary. O, ibig sabihin, power of 2. So, pag sinabing 1 kilobyte, okay, 1 kilobyte, hindi yan talaga 1,000. Okay? Hindi talaga 1,000 bytes yan. Okay? Ano? Okay? 2 to the 10, 1024. Slightly above 1,000. Okay? Kaya lang siya sinabi na kilobyte kasi halos 1,000. Okay? So, pag sinabi mo, magtataka kayo, pag 1 kilobyte daw, pero ba't hindi saktong 1,000 bytes yung USB ko? Wala palang kilobyte na USB. Halimbawa, 1 gigabyte daw yung USB ko, pero mas malaki yung nakikita kong content. Bakit ganun? O, kasi power of 2 dapat. So, 2 raised to 30 yun. Okay. 1.07 gig talaga yun. Hindi yan 1 gig lang. Okay. So, memories, meron tayong dati luma, magnetic, hard disk, floppy disk. Optical, pag CD-DVD. Ngayon, ang uso ay semiconductor, mga flash drive. Okay. Mabilisan na lang to. Okay. Pwede nyo i-post kung gusto nyo basahin. Okay. Okay. Memories, ROM, read-only memory. Pag RAM, random access memory. Okay, may mga special yan, erasable programmable ROM, ayan. Dynamic RAM, static RAM. Okay. Ang basta importanteng alam nyo, ROM and RAM. Okay. Anong pinagkaiba ng ROM sa RAM? So, ROM is read-only memory. Pag sinabing read-only memory, that is volatile. Non-volatile. Okay, pag sinabi natin non-volatile, okay, anong ibig sabihin nun? Hindi nabubura. Okay? So, example, hard disk mo. Okay? So, nakastore lang yan. Kahit patayin mo ang computer, buksan mo ang computer, pag nandun pa rin yan, that is non-volatile. Okay? Non-volatile. So, that is ROM. Pero kapag nabubura, pag pinatay mo yung computer, that is RAM. Okay? Kaya mas malaki yung value ng ROM sa computer. ROM nasa mga 1 tera. Pero yung mga RAM mo, Mga nasa, halimbawa sa phone, 6 gig RAM, 4 gig RAM, ganun lang. Kasi temporary storage ng data lang siya. Pag pinatay mo yung cellphone mo, mawawala yung laman ng RAM. Unlike kapag ROM, patayin mo man ang cellphone mo, nandun pa rin yung data niya. Okay. Probable question. Blank is a byte of data stored in a memory location. Okay, memory word. Blank is called retrieving data from memory. Retrieving data from memory is reading. Okay, logic family, depende kung anong ginamit mong logic gates. Okay? So, mga term na ginagamit. Okay, importante dito fan in, fan out eh. Okay. So, pag fan out, ilan lang yung possible output. O, yun lang yun. Okay? Pag ilan ang possible input, that is fan in. Ilan ang possible output, that is fan out. It specifies the number of standard loads that can be connected to the output of the gate without degrading its normal operation. Okay. Medyo bibilisan ko ha, wala na computation to eh. Okay. Power dissipation, amount of power needed by the gate at delivered by the power supply, expressed in milliwatts. Propagation delay, average transition delay time for the signal to propagate from input to output. Binibilisan ko, baka hindi lumabas sa exam. Hindi, joke lang. From the word itself kasi makukuha nyo na yung idea ng mga to. Noise margin. Okay. Maximum noise voltage added to the input signal of the digital that does not cause an undesirable change in circuit output. Margin, o may palugit. Kahit na may ganitong karaming noise, okay lang, kaya niya pa. That is noise margin. Okay. Logic families, nakadepende kung anong ginamit mong device, ano ginamit mong component, kung resistor, diode, transistor, or emitter coupled, ayan, or MOSFET. Okay. Okay. Resistor, transistor, RTL, okay. RTL, okay. Ito, pwede nyo naman i-post. Okay. RTL advantage, minimum number of transistor. Yun lang, okay. Kasi transistor, konti lang gamit niya. Ang disadvantage, mataas ang power dissipation kasi madaming resistor. Okay? Limited fan in, konti lang yung kaya niyang input. Low noise margin, okay. Sensitive sa noise. Pag DTL naman, instead of resistor, you're using diode. Okay? Kada standard gate niya is NAND. Okay? So, anong major advantage niya kumpara sa RTL? Mas madami kang possible input. More fan in. Okay. TTL, ito yung madalas ginagamit, TTL. Pero, ang mga 74XX, okay, 7404, 7408, 7400, okay, that is transistor logic. TTL ang kadalasan natin ginagamit, okay. So, di ba puro 74? 74 kapag commercial use. Pero pag 54XX, let's say 5408, 5432 na IC, that is for military use. Mas mataas yung switching speed nun. Okay. Ayan, yung mga abbreviation. Ayan. Ayan. Emitter coupled. Okay, fastest. Emitter coupled logic. Okay. Merge transistor logic. Fast circuit design based on the use of transistors rather than transistors in combination with resistor. Integrated injection logic. Requires low power. Okay. Hindi ko gano'n pinapasadahan kasi hindi rin naman gano'n ka labas. Okay. CMOS, gumagamit ka ng complementary MOSFET. Okay. Medyo kino-compare siya sa TTL. Better performance actually siya than TTL. Okay. Pero mas mahal lang kasi CMOS to eh. Okay. So, lower power consumption and faster siya. Okay. So, yung mga 4000 series. May mga 4,000 series na IC number that is using CMOS. Ayan. Basahin nyo na lang. Okay, board questions. In a TTL, if the base collector junction of transistor is clamped with a Schottky diode, it becomes Schottky TTL. What is the significance of having this diode? Switching speed, power dissipation, noise margin, or fan out. For TTL, it increases the switching speed. Okay, kasi Schottky diode, pinapabilis niya. Okay, ang bipolar logic family that uses resistors at its input circuit. Okay, may resistor from the word itself, resistor. Bago mag-transistor, magre-resistor ka muna. resistor, transistor, logic. That is RTL. Pag sinabing may diode, syempre DTL. It refers to the ability of a large circuit to withstand noise superimposed on its input signal. Okay, kaya niyang immune siya sa noise. That is noise immunity. The number of logic gates of the same family that can be connected to the input. Okay, connected to the input. Gaano karami ang pwedeng connecta sa input? That is fan-in. Okay, classification of computer. According to purpose, may general and special. According to technology, mechanical, electromechanical, electronic. Okay. Mechanical or analog computers are devices used for the computation of mathematical problems, made up of components such as integrators, sliding racks, cams, gears, springs, ayan. Pakibasa na lang. Okay. Electromechanical, use electromechanical components. Okay, and electronic computers, okay, may mga differentiating and integrating circuits na. Okay, digital computer generation. First generation, ito yung pinakauna, vacuum tubes. Isang computer sakop ang buong room. Second generation, may mga transistor na, use symbolic machine language or assembly language. Third generation, pinapalit na, miniaturized circuit na. At fourth generation, LSI and VLSI. Sobrang liit na, okay? Madami nang kayang ilaman sa loob lamang ng isang IC. Programming language. Machine language, kapag machine, kaya niya lang magbasa ng on or off. So, 0 and 1 lang. Okay? Assembly language, use abbreviation or off codes to represent instruction. Abbreviation, halimbawa, ano bang assembly language? Yung ginagamit natin sa micro. Okay, sa programming sa micro. Okay, may abbreviation lang yon. Okay? So, that is assembly language. Kapag high level language na, okay, medyo malapit na sa English yung mga codes na ginagamit natin. So, sa mga MATLAB, okay, that is already high level language. Okay, software, okay, pwedeng system software. Pag sinabing system software, that is operating system. Pag user software, that is application software. And that is the end of the session. Good luck sa exam.